Let's calculate. $14.40 divided by 18. To make it easier, $14.40 times 10 equals $144. 18 times 10 is equal to 180. $144 divided by 180 equals 12/15. Simplified further equals 4/5. 4/5 to a decimal equals 80 cents. Let's calculate the square of 10 the easy way. Square the first digit. 1 squared equals 1. Since 10 has 1 zero, we add 2 zeros to the result. 10 squared equals 100. Therefore, the square of 10 is 100. Let's simplify this expression. 2/3 times 1/4 plus 1/2. 2/3 times 1/4 equals 2/12. Simplifying further equals 1/6. 1/6 plus 1/2 equals 4/6 equals 2/3. Let's find the value of x if x equals square root 21/4. 20 and 1/4 is equal to 20 times 4 plus 1 divided by 4 equals 81 divided by 4. Square root 81/4 equals square root 81 divided by square root 4 equals 9 divided by 2. Therefore, x equals 4.5. Let's calculate a 20% discount on $500. 20 times $500 divided by 100 equals $100. $500 minus $100 equals $400. A 20% discount. The price is $400.